Remember, the principle of gender is to generate the idea. Plant the seed, masculine. And when you plant that seed, right, you begin to see in your mind's eye who you want to become. Now, who you want to become has a mental attitude. You know, somebody said to me, I like Harry Styles. I like what he does, or I like his confidence. The moment you can describe, oh, they're so confident, they're so cool, that's a mental attitude. It's a mental attitude. So what you want to become has a mental attitude. And so that is what you practice. Because at first, it is invisible to the naked eye when you start doing it. When you start doing it, nobody knows what you're doing. They can't see what you're doing. But if you persist, do you know what happens when you persist in doing a particular mental attitude? Neurologically speaking, in your brain, remember I told you, there's a teeny tiny little Michelangelo with a chisel and a mallet. And every time you rehearse who you are becoming, he's tapping away and shaping that neurological pathway. Fact. He's setting down within what you will live by on the outside. That's what's happening in your world every time you do it. He's setting down that neurological pathway, which is fact. As within, so without. The principle of correspondence tells us, as within, so without. In order to get something within the psyche, you have to set down a neurological pathway. Fact. You cannot do what you haven't learned. Once you learn it, groove is in the brain, right? The groove has been set down.